Welcome everyone on the STEM Science program. Below, you can enjoy the explanation of the course in details. For this course, the Canvas platform will be used. Canvas is a course management system that supports online learning and teaching, allows teachers to post titles, information, and assignments online. Universities and colleges around the world are using it. This course uses a mix of in-person teaching and online learning. This way, students can learn in different ways and at their own pace. This course focuses on putting the students at the center of learning. It means that everything we do in the class is designed to help students learn and succeed. We consider their interests, preference, and needs to make sure they get the most out of their education. Also, in this course, the instructor acts as a facilitator. This means that instead of just giving lectures or telling students what to do, the instructor helps guide the learning process. They create opportunities for students to explore topics, ask questions, and find solutions on their own. The facilitator's role is to support and encourage students as they learn, rather than just providing information. Let's start explaining the first. Here we have the menu. We have home, announcement, syllables, assignments, discussions, grades, models, and chat. To the start page, we go to the models area. We click on it, and we find the first part of the course. Start here. We have welcome to class, course overview, syllables, and student introductions. If we click on welcome to class, we find the welcome to the program by the teacher. Then in the course overview, we can find a short description of the program and what it consists. After that, we have the syllables explaining the course, the expectations, duration, materials, calendar, and the big area versus goal and the 3-column table. Finally, at the end of this part, we have a little discussion. This is a student introduction, so they can introduce themselves and tell us about themselves. Now let's go to the first module, making recycled paper. We begin with an introduction to what recycling is. Then we see a short video about recycling, its importance, among others. After watching the video, students will participate in a short discussion where they will answer and comment to their classmates about why recycling is important, what items can be recycled, and how they can help by separating their garbage into different bins. After the discussion, students will make an assignment regarding which things are recyclable and which are not, and will culminate with a short project where students will have the opportunity to learn about making paper. They will work in teams to make their own paper. This helps themselves to understand recycling, why it's important, and how it helps us. And the final part of this module is an assessment to check student knowledge at the end of the module. We also have a video about the recycled paper so they can have an example to how to do it. Let's go to the module number 2. Module number 2 is exploring the world of trees. Talking trees. In the second module, students will study about trees, their importance, and the different types of trees. They will have the opportunity to watch a video related to trees and then participating in a discussion where they will answer the following questions. Think about why trees are important, what do they give us, how do they help animals. Then they gonna write down their thoughts. And after they finish, they need to leave a comment to at least two of their friends. Next, we have the different type of trees. And they have they have the part of the trees and an explanation, and they have an exercise about the parts of the trees. They need to fill the blanks. The last part, um, they will search in the patio. They will collect things like leaves, branches, etc., and work on the project, creating a piece of art using things found in nature. And this is an example, and the description, and the materials that they need. Pretty simple. Let's go to the model number 3, and this is water pollution. In this model, students will learn that what water pollution is and its cause. They will also learn about the different types of water pollution and the most common types of contamination in water. Here we have the different types of water pollution: groundwater, surface water, ocean water, point source. And in this page, we have the common types of water contamination: agricultural, sewage and wastewater, oil pollution, radioactive substance. After this, we have a video, water pollution video. And after the video, we have a discussion. They need to answer these 4 questions and then comment to 2 peers. After the discussion, they have a project. They're gonna make their own water filter. They have here all what they need and step by step, including pictures about it. And let's go to the module number 4. Module number 4 is about air rotation. In the next module, students will have the opportunity to study the rotation of the air. They will learn about the rotation for day and night. They will also have the opportunity to watch a video and participate in a discussion. They have all the information. They have the video. Day and night, the rotation of the air video. They have the discussion. They have 4 questions, and they need to comment to their peers. And they have a little activity called what makes day and night. They need to identify and label it. After this activity, they have a game. A game, the name is Day and Night Race. And the objective of the game is to understand how air rotation causes day and night. They have the instruction and the materials that they need for the game. Something for have fun. After that, the last thing in the module is they will create a sundial with a cardboard plate. This is an example. the materials that they need, the PDF for the sundial clock face, and the instructions. And the last module, module number 5, is Introduction to Forces. In the last module, students will be working hard. They will learn about what force is, the different types of force, how to measure it, and they will watch a video about force and gravity. Here are the videos. The first one is gravity, and the second one is the force. After the video, they will participate in an activity called Investigating Air Resistance, where they will take on the task of investigating how does the size of a parachute affect the time it takes for a paper clip to fall. And this is an example that what they need to do and the 2 steps. After this activity, they will also participate in a discussion about the videos and information provided. Then they will have a group activity where they have 4 questions and they have an activity for each question. They're gonna work as a group. After this, we have the last project. Student will work on the blow and go parachute project where they can create their own parachute. This is the introduction, material, procedure, and this is all the 5 modules that we have. Home page, announcement. They have one announcement. Say, welcome to our class. It says, I hope that by the end of this course, you have a new appreciation of STEM science matters and will continue your education and explore all the program components. And please verify your course every day. Well, this is all that I have. This is my course about STEM. I hope you enjoy and thank you for watching.